If the display on your Bespoke Family Hub refrigerator needs to be replaced, you may see picture errors, such as lines, glitches, and intermittent picture problems. Or maybe the display is unresponsive or completely black. If you don't see any physical damage, try power cycling it by turning it off for 2 minutes, then back on. If the issues aren't resolved, perform a factory reset. This can be done within the settings menu. If your display is black, check the wire connections at the top of the right fridge door and the connections behind the display to make sure they are attached correctly. If the issues aren't resolved, replace the part. Be sure to use genuine Samsung parts and confirm that the part is compatible with your refrigerator model and type. All you need to replace the Family Hub display is a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a suction cup tool. Before you begin, unplug the refrigerator. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the 3-panel caps from the top of the Family Hub door panel. Attach the suction cup to the upper part of the display and pull firmly towards you to release it. Then, disconnect the wire harness. And then lift up to fully remove it. Now it's time to install your new Family Hub display. Take the new display and reconnect the wire harness. Place the Family Hub display back into position on the door. Be sure to firmly press all around the surface to ensure it clips in place. Then replace the caps at the top of the door panel. Finally, plug your refrigerator back in and confirm the display is successfully working.